You don't need many views on YouTube to make money. You need the right views. You can make thousands of dollars out of one YouTube view if you get to connect with the right audience, and if you have built the systems, and if you look on your YouTube channel as your business asset, not just some part-time hobby that you are doing. So how do you succeed on YouTube? Number one, you don't wing it. You have a system, you have a schedule, you have a routine. How and when you will be making your content. You can't just do it now and then. And we do understand life gets in the way, but it only can get in the way if you let it. And I am not talking about some life-threatening emergencies. I am talking about life getting in the way as I'm feeling a bit tired tonight, or I need to go out and see my friends, or I think I'd rather see that new movie that just came out in the cinema than stay and do another YouTube video. That sort of life. And if you let that life to get in the way, it will get in the way, and you will not get anywhere with your YouTube channel. So to save yourself a frustration of being years without success on YouTube, start by looking at your YouTube channel and treating it as your business asset. Now, the next thing that so many people overlook when they start on YouTube, and how do I know that? I have been on YouTube for almost 5 years now, and I still run multiple channels in different niches, making 6 figures per year, and this, my personal channel, is my latest journey. So the one thing that people overlook is thinking that knowing is enough. So the more content I will consume, the more videos I will watch, the more blueprints I will read, knowing is not enough. Consuming content is not enough for you to start producing the content. You actually have to take the action. Whether that is a faceless automated channel, whether that is personal channel, you actually have to start making those videos. There are so many people we see on our school community who will come in and say, I don't know where to start. I want to make money on YouTube. I want to build a business. I want to build the systems. I want to quit my full-time job. What do I do? And when they are told to produce their first video, they will continue going around with the excuses. I had to attend this event. I haven't finished all the videos on the classroom, and so on and so forth. And it takes ages before they actually produce the first video. Now, the next fail is having unrealistic expectations that first of your video or first of your 3 or 5 videos will now gonna take off. Yes, in our experience, it takes only about a month. If you follow our strategies that we are teaching about the automated YouTube channels, it will take you about a month if you constantly produce content, at least 1 video per day. So you can get monetized and blow up your channel in a month. But having the expectation that very little effort will be needed for you to produce a couple of videos, and then these videos will gonna take off straight away on YouTube, and then you kind of give up after first few videos, and then you come back again, and then before you know it, you have spent a year being frustrated on YouTube. Comment down below if that sounds familiar to you. Is not the goal that you want to have successful, profitable YouTube channel that is crushing you. What is crushing you is the way how you are trying to achieve this goal. Now, next one is posting the videos and then deleting them if they are not performing well. You might have a solid month of the content that doesn't perform well, and this is our experience here as well, and then suddenly something will click in, algorithm will find the right audience, and the same channel in the next 5 months we're gonna make $40,000, and you have been losing out on those 14,000 if you have then decided to delete your all old videos. And old videos, especially in evergreen niches, can still perform well, even they are performing really bad at the beginning once they are posted. So do not delete your old videos. Next, how do you deal with the negative comments and frustration that comes with that? You can use some keywords as AI or scam or any other type of words in your settings on your YouTube channel, and you can block these comments. But always remember, even negative comments are still bringing engagement to your videos. What I would say is Don't use your efforts by trying to argue with some people. Although I would say if you successfully provoke them and they continue replying you in the comments, it's still boosting the video engagement. But overall, don't be frustrated seeing negative comments on your YouTube channel. Just leave them or respond them if you feel to, but don't get that frustration that you are doing not well just because somebody came and put out something negative. We all know the keyboard warriors and we don't have to pay attention to them. That is just part of your journey and you do not have to feel frustrated about it. True to be said that if you are having haters on YouTube, that's a very good sign that you have made it and your channel is blowing up. Next, if you truly want to succeed on YouTube, focus on long-form content. Don't do shorts. Yes, shorts can blow up quickly. It can even give you engagement and subscribers quickly. You might struggle with the watch hours though if you have to be monetized. But overall, if you are treating your YouTube channel as a long-term business asset, focus on long-form content. Next, make sure to check your videos not just on mobile, not just on laptop, but also on a TV. The audience that watches YouTube content on TV is massively growing, especially now in 2025, and probably will increase even more in 2026. YouTube is taking over the television. So make sure that your videos are also watchable on TV. And what I mean by that is that the video is in good quality enough that you can clearly see it on a TV. It doesn't get pixelated or blurred just because it's on a lower resolution. Next, when you are starting your YouTube channel, do not put too many links into your video description. YouTube wants you to keep the viewers on YouTube. And if you just spam your description full with the external links, even if though they are some digital product or affiliate links at the beginning of your YouTube channel growth, do not include too many links in the description. Aim to just keep your viewers on the YouTube, use the end screens, use the playlists, so you can potentially prompt people to watch your next video once they have finished the first, instead of putting too many external links into your YouTube descriptions. Next piece of advice is not to follow your passion, but build a business. And many people will say you have to be passionate about something that you love to do and you have to show that passion in your videos. Fair enough, I get the point. But if you focus on following your passion, you're getting distracted from your goal, and that should be building your business. If you want sustainable income in the long run, not just quick AdSense earnings from some trending topics on YouTube, you have to build a business. And you have to build it in a way that is sustainable for you, that you can stay consistent. And we have learned in a harsh way. We had to take the entire year of 2024 out of the YouTube, break from the YouTube, simply because we burned out by producing content during the 2023 that did earn very decent money for us. We just burned out, so we had to take the break. So burnout is definitely real, but the sustainability is a must. So find your own workflows, find your own work patterns that you can stick with from day to day without burning out, without getting frustrated, but just find your own flow that fits in your lifestyle. But do not let your life get in the way of producing content for your YouTube channel, for your YouTube business. At this point, I believe that you have consumed enough content and now it's time for you to start creating. Now, if you use this video, it will guide you through the step-by-step process we use to create our own video content.